Samsung is making some significant improvements to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The camera lenses vary from what we anticipated, and this has now been verified. According to a reliable tipster, the camera lenses on the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be different than what was previously leaked. There will be a change in teleporter sensor. Previously, it was expected that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would come with the 50-megapixel IMX875 sensor, but it will not. Instead, it will come with the IMX854 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor, and after this discussion, people are not happy with the camera performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, 10x zoomed-in shard will not be an issue for the S24 Ultra, but 10x 200x zoom quality is yet unknown, which suggests Samsung may struggle with higher-level zoom with the new 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. Although you can still perform a 100x zoom on a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor, the other sensors will be a 200-megapixel ISO cell HP2SX sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor. People are concerned about the zoomed-in charts, but an excellent feature is coming to the Galaxy S24 Ultra that will increase the video recording of the S24 Ultra Zoom Anywhere. Samsung officially revealed this function to record two length films at the same time. There will be two settings, 2x and 4x, so you won't lose video quality by zooming in, and this new feature will also assist S24 Ultra to further stabilize footage. Aside from the video function, the 24 Ultra will also have a new photo feature. You may recall that the S23 Ultra struggled to take 200-megapixel shots and that it takes a couple of seconds to take a picture, which was a drawback of the S23 Ultra, and that you had to reduce the settings to make it faster, but with the new N2 and Remosaic AI feature, this issue will be resolved in the S24 Ultra. Samsung's new image processing method, which decreases the time required to take a 200-megapixel image. A complete 200-megapixel photo on the S23 Ultra takes at least a second or two, but with the new AI function, this will be reduced. As a result, you won't have to reduce the resolution to capture a fast-moving object. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.